Hey there. So today is going to be a day of experimentation. It's actually going to be a week of experimentation because it's probably going to take me about that long to do this process. So today what I'm going to be working on is beginning the process of embellishing this clock. Now this is going to have koi fish on it, and as it is going to be a wedding gift, I thought it would be really cool to make a kind of best wishes clock. So I thought to myself, Lydia, which is what I always call myself, make it really cool. Make it like a wishing well or a fountain with like a koi pond with coins as the numbers representing time. Like you throw a coin into a fountain, you make a wish. Think you get where I'm going with this? I certainly hope so anyway. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. But anyway, I'm Lydia Broderick, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so my idea for this is one of the pours from my previous video, doing the 2 clock pours. This is the first one that I'm going to work on. Now, the idea that I have for this is to make 3-dimensional koi fish on this. And the way that I'm going to do it is by doing layers of resin and painting the layers of the fish on top of the resin as I go. So it will give the illusion that they're a real fish on this pour. God, I hope it works. Because otherwise this is, ooh, a waste of everyone's time. Good times. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out the hole, and then I'm going to place my coins that are going to be representing my numbers, which I have laid out already, and yeah, let's do this. Oh, and then I'm going to pour resin over that. So that's going to be the first layer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now that I've gotten all of my coins on here, and because I drilled the hole, I did put a little piece of tape kind of rolled in the center here because I'm only going to be pouring enough resin on this so that I can do the first layer of painting, and then I'm going to put another layer on of resin and then paint on top of that, so it will give the fish a 3-dimensional look, like they're actually, you know, real koi fish. And so far so good. Oh, let's continue with the resin. Okay, so the first layer is completed of resin. I'm just making sure there aren't any bubbles in it right now and kind of torching as I see them pop up. I didn't do a thick layer of resin, just about like 1/8 of an inch. I just wanted to cover the coins because I am going to be putting more layers of resin. So I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours. I'm going to cover it so that no dust particles or anything get on it, and then I'm going to start painting tomorrow. So we'll be back. this is the finished clock. Now I decided to go with goldfish instead of koi fish. And you may be wondering why. Well, goldfish are symbolic of good fortune, luck, and all that. And I thought that would be really good as a wedding gift because the symbolism is best wishes, good fortune, you know, hope everything goes well. So that's why I went with goldfish. Plus, they have more flowy fins. Some goldfish have flowier fins like betta fish, so I did go with the goldfish. I thought it would be more symbolic instead of the koi fish. I'm really happy with the way that this came out. I think it looks great. I think that I didn't want to do too many layers of resin on this because I didn't want the clock to be too heavy. So I think I did, what, four layers of resin total? 4 or 5. But it came out really cool. Super happy with it. This is the back. I've got, it tells time, which is the most important part. Functional art. Love it. Yay. I'm not going to shake that. That would be silly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see you next time. And I think I'm going to do another 3D resin clock on the other pour from the previous video that I did with this pour. And yeah. So I will see you next time. I love you guys a whole lot. You're awesome. And have a great day. Bye. Ah! It's kind of trippy. They're following each other. Oh, they're going backwards. I think this experiment went well. Totally nailed it. Snap guns.